Hi viewers and students and friends. I am B. Satish Kumar, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Imman Srikakulam. Today our topic is benzene into anthracene. You know structure of benzene? So this is the structure of benzene. The structure of anthracene is this. Benzene having one ring compound, whereas anthracene having three rings. How can we make extra two rings? How can we convert C6 compound into C14 compounds? How can improve? How can we increase 8 carbons on benzene ring? So it is very easy conversion. We will discuss it in this presentation. See the steps involved in this conversion. First we have to take benzene. Benzene is the starting compound for this conversion. The structure of benzene is this. This benzene initially reacts with phthalic anhydride. You know phthalic anhydride is the anhydride of phthalic acid. Phthalic acid is the dicarboxylic acid. Two carboxylic groups neighboring to each other. That is the relation between two carboxylic groups 1 and 2. So this dicarboxylic acid easily removal of water molecule in the presence of acid or by heating to generate a anhydride. This anhydride is the key source for this conversion because benzene having 6 carbons whereas phthalic anhydride having 8 carbons. Adding of both 6 plus 8 equal to 14 carbons. Our target product anthracene having 14 carbons. See this reaction. Benzene reacts with phthalic anhydride in the presence of AlCl3. This reaction is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. What is that? It is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. How anhydride generate a electrophile? This oxygen of anhydride bonding with aluminum, then oxygen having positive charge. When gets positive charge on oxygen, the bond breaking between carbonyl carbon of anhydride and oxygen, so generate a acyl carbocation. Another side is carboxylate ion. This acyl carbocation acts as a electrophile. It reacts with benzene. Generally, you know, benzene involved in electrophilic substitution reactions. In the hydrogen place, the electrophile occupy, substitution takes place. The hydrogen will goes on oxygen. We will get one keto acid compound. This skeleton is phthalic anhydride skeleton. So benzene involving in electrophilic substitution, that is called acyl carbonyl carbon, a new bond between this carbonyl carbon and benzene. So another side carboxylic acid group is there. So this is called keto acid compound. We will get this reaction. Further, this carboxylic acid convert into acid chlorides with help of thionyl chloride, because thionyl chloride is the best reagent for the conversion of carboxylic acids into acid chlorides. Here the OH group is replaced by Cl. So carboxylic acid convert into acid chlorides or acyl halides or acyl chlorides. simply removal of SO2 and HCl. Both SO2 and HCl are gas compounds. So we will get a pure product of this acyl chloride. Further, this acyl chloride involving in a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. This Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction is a intramolecular because the acyl group and benzene present in a same compound. So this acylation reaction is a intramolecular acylation reaction. This acyl chloride, presence of AlCl3 generate acyl carbocation. It acts as an electrophile. So substitution at ortho to this alkyl group. So we will get a cyclic diketo compound with elimination of HCl. This diketo compound further involving in a Clemmensen reduction in the presence of zinc Hg, zinc amalgam. Here Hg is the mercury, zinc is a metal, concentration HCl is the proton source. Both carbonyl groups, CO groups convert into CH2. Here two hydrogens come from concentration HCl. This dihydronaphthalene compound easily convert into anthracene by loss of H2 molecule, H from here and H from here. This is a 9,10 dihydroanthracene. This dihydroanthracene involves in a dehydrogenation, that means elimination of H2 molecules from the compound. This process is called a dehydrogenation process. Here dihydroanthracene involving in a dehydrogenation process, the removal of H2 molecule in the presence of selenium and heat to form anthracene. This is the conversion of benzene into anthracene. It almost 5 steps required for this conversion. I hope you understand this conversion reaction. Thank you one and all. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.